Hello, before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Keep watching until the end of the video to see the interior shots, exterior shots and the full review. Mercedes AMG GLB 35 debuts with 306 horsepower, still space for 7 people. The turbocharged Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 produces 221 horsepower out of the box. Not bad at all, but as expected, an even hotter model is here. The 2020 Mercedes AMG GLB 35 ups the ante with more power, more kit, and even some additional off-road prowess. The same 2.0-litre turbocharged engine from the base 250 lives underhood, only it's more pumped up. Additional boost from a twin-scroll turbocharger pumps the output to 306 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. The 7-seat GLB 35 now sprints to 62 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds and on to a governor-limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. All that additional oomph travels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and onto all 4 wheels courtesy of Benz's 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. The AMG model ditches the base trim's eco and sport driving modes for a few new ones: slippery, designed for low grip situations, comfort, sport, sport plus and individual. But the powertrain isn't the only upgrade. Slippery mode paired with Mercedes-Benz's 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and additional body cladding makes the GLB 35 capable off the road, too. AMG completely reworked the GLB 35 suspension. New steering knuckles and transverse control arms at the front axle enhance lateral dynamics and reduce body roll. There's even an optional AMG ride control suspension that electronically controls damping at each wheel. Speed-sensitive power steering and 4-piston AMG brakes, meanwhile, assure both improved handling and additional stopping power. On the exterior, the Mercedes AMG GLB 35 gets an updated skin ripe with aggressive AMG cues. For the first time on a 35 model, there's an AMG-specific Panamericana grille. A set of 19-inch AMG 10 wheels wrap around silver calipers. Buyers wanting to go bigger can also get 20 and 21-inch wheel options, each available in 2 colors. Inside, the MBUX infotainment system carries over, complete with a touchpad, touch control buttons on the steering wheel, and a large central screen. The seats, dash, and door panels, meanwhile, wear a new AMG-specific leather and stitching combo to help distinguish it from the lesser 250. With the new GLB 35 4MATIC we are extending our product portfolio by adding a highly attractive model for an active target group that attaches special importance to versatility. This also includes the optional 7-seater capability of our new compact SUV, though without having to sacrifice the genes typical of an AMG. Because in its segment, our GLB 35 likewise fulfills our brand promise of driving performance, says Tobias Moers, CEO of Mercedes AMG. Expect the Mercedes AMG GLB 35 to go on sale early in 2020. No details on pricing or availability just yet.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.